Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the screen zoom on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to zoom in on the screen, we need to go to settings first, then in the settings you want to find accessibility, and finally here we need to go to magnification. Over here we can turn on the magnification by simply enabling the shortcut, and then you will see some information, how it looks like. So we can press got it. Now on the right side over here you should have this icon, and once you tap on it then you can zoom in. So tap the shortcut icon and then you can tap on the screen in order to zoom in. Over here, if you want to move, you need to do that with your two fingers. So you need to drag two fingers to move around the screen. Over here you can also see the instructions how to zoom in, and then you can pinch two fingers to adjust zoom, so we can even zoom out or zoom in even more, and then of course we can zoom out like that. And if you want to immediately disable the zoom, you can tap on the icon once again in order to get back to the full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.